Have you ever dreamt about your crush? Isn't it a fascinating thought to be able to control your dreams and make them revolve around that special someone who gives you butterflies? It might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but it is indeed possible through a process called lucid dreaming. Today, we're going to unravel the secrets behind this intriguing phenomenon and guide you on how to dream about your crush. To kick things off, understand that lucid dreaming is a state where you're aware that you're dreaming. You're conscious within the dream and can manipulate its contents. It's like being the director of your own personal movie, where you call the shots and decide the storyline. Step 1 involves setting your intention before you sleep. Think about your crush. Visualize their face, their voice, their laughter. The more vivid your visualization, the higher the chances of them appearing in your dream. Next, keep a dream journal. Dreams are slippery and often escape our memory as soon as we wake up. By recording your dreams, you train your mind to remember them, making it easier to achieve lucidity in your future dreams. The third step is to perform reality checks throughout the day. Pinch yourself, try to push your hand through a solid object or look at a clock and look away, then look back. If the time drastically changed or if your hand went through the object, you're dreaming. Doing these checks frequently will help you recognize when you're in a dream. The fourth step involves a technique called Wake Back to Bed, or WBTB. It involves waking up after 5 or 6 hours of sleep, staying awake for a while, and then going back to sleep. This period of wakefulness boosts the likelihood of experiencing a lucid dream. Finally, the last step is to relax. Don't stress if it doesn't happen right away. Lucid dreaming takes practice, and the more relaxed and open-minded you are, the easier it becomes. To recap, today we discussed the concept of lucid dreaming and how it can help you dream about your crush. We went through 5 steps: setting your intention, keeping a dream journal, performing reality checks, using the WBTB technique, and staying relaxed. Remember, just like any skill, mastering lucid dreaming takes practice. So don't get discouraged if you don't succeed immediately. Keep trying, and who knows? Perhaps tonight you'll find yourself in a dream, hand in hand with your crush, under a sky full of stars.